Class size we can calculate by taking the difference of upper limit and lower limit. Now, difference between 20 minus 10, that is 10, 30 minus 20, it is 10, 40 minus 30, it is 10. So h is nothing but 10. Here the difference between 100 minus 50, it is 50, 150 minus 100, it is 50, 200 minus 150, it is 50. So h is 50. Similarly, difference between 60 and 40, it is 20, 100 minus 80, it is 20. So h is 20. So what we learn, that what is F0, F1, F2 and what is H. Now come on the formula for the mode. Now mode is equal to L plus, what is L? Lower limit. Now you can ask कि मैम सब तो लोअर लिमिट है 0B, 10B, 20B, 30B, 40B. So which lower limit? I have to take the lower limit of modal class. What is the modal class? Where you have written the highest frequency. That class interval is nothing but your modal class. That means 20 to 30. This will be your modal class, and lower limit of this modal class 20 will be the value of L. Now formula for mode, it is L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. As I explained you, lower limit we have to take as lower limit of modal class. So 20 will be the value of L. Are you clear for this point? First you have to select the modal class. How to select the modal class? Wherever you have taken the highest frequency, where you have written the F1, that class will be known as modal class, and the lower limit of the modal class will be the value of L. modal class का जो लोअर लिमिट है वो L की वैल्यू होगी. Now F1 already you know it is 50. So in place of F1 write down 50 minus F0. F0 is 26 upon twice of F1, that means 2 into 50 minus F0 means minus 26 minus F2, that means 19, and multiplied by H. H means class size, that is 10. Okay, we are not going to solve it here, we'll be solving later on. Try to understand only what is F1, F0, what is H, what is L. Substitute the value in the modal formula and get mode. Come here now. Again you have to write the formula for mode. Formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon, take care, this upon should not come under L. L के नीचे upon का sign नहीं आना चाहिए. L you have to write it separately. Upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now to find L we have to find modal class. What is modal class? Check where is the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 70. So your modal class will be 150 to 200. Well, so write down here, this is your modal class, and lower limit of the modal class is the value of L. So under L, what you have to write? You have to write 150. F1 means the highest frequency, that is 70. What is F0? It is 40. And upon twice of F1. Twice of F1 means 2 into 70 minus F0. F0 is 40 minus F2. F2 it is 10 multiplied by H. H is the class size. Class size means 200 minus 150, that is 50. Well, put this here in the bracket and here also put it in the bracket, so there will not be any confusion. Solution of this will be doing it later. Come on the question number 3. Again, write down formula. Formula it is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. To find L, what we have to check? We have to check which is the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 60. So what is your modal class? 60 to 80. Don't say 60 is the modal class. Modal class means class interval. So what is the class interval? 60 to 80. So this is modal class. And if this is modal class, the value of L will be 60. So under L, write down 60. Fine. F1 minus F0, that means 60 minus 4 upon twice of F1, that means 2 into 60 minus F0. F0 is 4 minus F2. F2 means 20 multiplied by H. And the value of H means upper limit minus lower limit. 80 minus 60 you can take. You can take 100 minus 80. That is 20. Well, and then solve it. Now for solving it, I'll give you a suggestion that first you solve this part. Fine. And don't try to take LCM with the 60. Whatever you get, add it in the 60. And in addition, don't take LCM. Similarly, here you solve this part first. Whatever you get, add 20 in that. Don't try to take LCM. Same is here. Solve this part first and add 150. Whatever you get, you just add 150 and then whatever you get, that will be your mode value. So for these 3 questions, find out mode. I am giving you 15 minutes to solve it, and after 15 minutes we'll discuss the answer of these 3 questions. Thank you.